The best way to keep good employees from leaving is to pay them fairly, respect their time, and give them a clear path to grow. Because most people do not quit jobs, they quit bad management and feeling stuck. Think about it like this. If you were working hard every single day and nobody ever told you that you were doing a good job, or if you found out someone doing the same work as you was making more money, you would start looking for a new job too. Good employees usually leave for three main reasons. They feel undervalued, they feel unappreciated, and they feel like there's no future for them at the company. Something a lot of business owners do not realize is that employees often decide to leave months before they actually quit. They just keep quiet about it while they search for something better. This is called quiet quitting sometimes, but really it is just someone who checked out mentally long before they checked out officially. A smart business owner pays attention to small changes in attitude, energy, or communication because those tiny signals show up way before someone hands in a resignation letter. Regular one-on-one conversations, even just 10 minutes every couple of weeks, can catch these problems early and save you from losing a great worker. One big mistake owners make is assuming money is the only thing that matters, when really things like flexible scheduling, feeling heard, and having modern tools to do their job well matter just as much. Another common issue is promoting someone into a leadership role just because they were good at the technical work, without ever training them how to actually lead people, so make sure new supervisors get real leadership training. A lot of owners also wait until an exit interview to ask what went wrong, but by then it is already too late, so the real fix is creating a culture where people feel comfortable being honest with you long before they are ready to walk out the door. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.